at Apex Excel Training. In this scenario, I'm going to show you the process by which you can insert an image directly into the confines of a cell in your spreadsheet. And then, of course, you can retrieve it or look it up just like any other data point. Here's how it goes. I'm going to go to cell D2, and let's say I need to add an image of Catherine Janeway. So I'm going to go to the Insert tab of my ribbon, and my Pictures icon, now when I click it, lets me choose whether I'm going to place the item inside a cell or over the cells, which is what would happen before when you didn't have these two options. You would just get a picture floating on top of your spreadsheet. But now we say, or we can say, place in cell. And I've already got the pictures that I want on my computer. So I'm going to say this device, and I've got a folder called Staff Images. I'm going to click on Catherine Janeway and choose Insert. And there it is, goes right inside the cell. Let's do another one. We'll say insert pictures, place in cell, this device, Jean-Luc Picard. Really fast, right? Place in cell, this device, James Kirk, and finally insert pictures, place in cell, this device, Ben Cisco. So now you've got the images right there inside your spreadsheet, inside the cell. So I mean, if I zoom in, of course, you can get a better perspective of each image. In fact, there's a zoom feature. So if I click on one of the images, you get this sort of preview icon. You can click it, and it opens it up for closer look. And then you can just click the little button that appears to the side to put it right back inside the cell. That button actually toggles between the two states, with the image being, outside of the confines of the cell floating on your spreadsheet, and then you can toggle it back to saying that it's inside the cell. If I were to sort my data, like if I say I'm going to sort this by the staff name, you can see that the images move right along with the data, just like you would expect anything else. So that's it. That's how you can insert an image inside the cell in the spreadsheet. I hope you find it useful. Please come back soon for more Excel demos with Rich Kerr from Apex Excel Training. Have a productive day. Peace.